Hey everybody! Olá a todos! Bem-vindos! Welcome! So today I wanted to talk about a very interesting topic. I was reading recently that the Portuguese government announced that it is expected by the end of the century that there will be 500 million speakers of Portuguese around the world. So that is great news for the Portuguese language, of course. And I just wanted to share a little bit about my experience since I launched Learn European Portuguese online last September of 2018. It's been a wonderful journey, and I'm so impressed by the number of people that contact me, that reach out asking about my lessons, or following my Facebook posts and my YouTube channel because they really want to learn Portuguese. And of course, in my case, it's the European Portuguese dialect. So it's a niche if we consider the size of Portugal compared to Brazil. So it's really so amazing to see how many Portuguese, young people of Portuguese descent here in the United States, that they really take pride in their Portuguese culture and how they want to learn the language to be able to speak to their family members when they got to Portugal, or other students that I have that are moving to Portugal, and they are so amazing and respectful of the Portuguese culture that they want to move already knowing the language so they can feel integrated and really make a difference in their lives when they move to Portugal, so they can feel part of the culture, part of the country, and have a total different experience. So the truth is, there's this growing interest in learning the European Portuguese dialect. I can feel it on a daily basis, and I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that has reached out. And if you have any questions, if you're interested in having lessons with me, or if you've been thinking about it and you're never sure if it's the right time to start learning. I know learning a language is a long process. It does take a long time. It's step by step. But if it's on your to-do list and it's something that you've been thinking about and you've just been postponing, think about it. It might be the right time now. Portugal has become just this popular, amazing country, with amazing people. There's this, all these Portuguese sons of immigrants that are, going back to their roots and discovering Portugal, and they want to discover the language. And you're probably one of those people that you want to learn more about your language, be able to speak to some of your family that you still have in Portugal, or even if you're moving to Portugal, you really want to move already knowing some of the language so you can feel integrated and have just a much richer experience when you arrive there. So if you're one of those people, reach out, think about it, reach out, email me, message me, and I'll happily discuss with you a lesson plan and work with you based on your time, your budget. So just an idea. Okay, well, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Adeus, obrigada.